Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. First, go to your web browser. Here, search for Near Wallet. Click to open wallet.near.org. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. After that, click on the small arrow icon. Here, you need to select the option of account. Once you're in, copy your wallet ID. After that, open the Sweatcoin wallet app from your mobile device. Here, you can see your Sweatcoin balance. After that, click on Transfer. Then click on Send. Now paste the wallet ID which we have copied previously. Then click on Continue. After that, select the number of Sweatcoins that you want to send. Then swipe right on the option of Confirm and Transfer. In a few seconds, you will receive a notification that your coins have been sent successfully. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.